So situation is this will come and hit, then some this will be staying here, this block will come, drag all of them into the pit box. That's the situation I want to create.
Let's give them back.
Get them back, that is once again manual animation we have to do. Cut the scene there, do that. So once again the same thing, what are the passive bodies? This is a passive body, 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 and say passive body. So this is the active body, these three also active bodies. Active body feels gravity, you say, and this will be also a active body or passive body, don't worry, we can give passive keys, active keys anytime also, or else make it passive, because directly I am going to animate this, no problem at all. Then let them settle, then say solve your initial state, set for all dynamics. Then you will be start putting what, your initial velocity in z direction, x direction, like minus na minus 20. All gone. Good hit. What I'll do, I'll just pull them little bit forward or decrease the speed of this, minus 15, so that little bit they will stay here and there. Okay, this is the situation done. So next thing is, after this dynamic simulation, I want this to come and drag them into this, so that is manual animation. So at which frame, from 200 frame I can start, set a key, okay, then move at 240 frame, it will come down, set a key, okay, then move 260 300 frames forward, set a key, that's all.
The key is by S.
Yes,
Yes.
so hit, then my block will come, drag them in. So like that you can create situations,
So you can't use net constraint on that one, so it will bring them up again.
no, doesn't happen, you have to cut the shot there, manually you do that, put it back. So output we want to see majorly fire, there is no rule like with each and option we have to do
Because in real life it's coming back.
coming back, but in a single shot you can't show that, na. So first this is very difficult manually doing, so I am doing this situation, then what I'll do, take this all those things, arrange them, cut the shot there, move them up, put them back there, like that. So according to your story you have, dynamics is totally useful for your animation and all those things to create your shot. Unanimously in dynamics you can't do everything, these are helpers, that's all. Okay, yes, that's the thing. Okay, this is one thing. Next we will do a carom board. Caroms board, you know, na. फास्ट करो फिर, वो इनिशियल वेलोसिटी ज़्यादा करो, मेक इट फास्ट, इनिशियल वेलोसिटी ऑटोमेटिकली विल बी फास्ट.
पूरा बॉक्स में जा रहा हूँ, बढ़ाने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती.
So literally if I want to create a carom board, please no discussions. So what majorly I'll do, I'll be taking 20 into 20, which is a square, perfect square, and I'm going to create a carom board using extrude face. So like one of these faces, scale it in, press G, put it down. Then to create the holes, what I'll do, I'll create booleans. So one major problem with your booleans is your normals are not properly placed, that's your major problem. So we have to create a proxy setup for this. I'll tell you how to create a proxy setup now, that's very important. So do this, this is a carom board, don't worry, control D, put it back here, then drag it, control D, put it back here, create the holes literally, then you have to scale them little bit up, they are too small. select this, difference. So your holes has been created. So this is my original object, but in this I can't do my total situation. So what I'll do is edit delete type by history I'll do, and just keep it in a layer, and I'll start creating a proxy. Proxy means which is literally like this but with individual objects. I'll take the box, scale it this way and this way, scale it down, go to the front view. You know where the simulation will happen, put it there, then Control D, put other pieces.
So if boolean is there, you can't do that.
No
That's why I
simulation.
asked you before.
Yes, so this is the problem, you have to do something like this. Because of the normals problem.
Even Bethel, right?
Yes, Bevel also. Normals problem, this is a normals problem. Normals, if they are not considered properly, okay, you can do all these things. And you can create the barriers also, so where they have to stop. So you can take literally from this only, Control D, scale it up. So you know the position, you just put it there. Control D, yeah, here. Control D, rotate it in y direction 90 degrees. Because it is a perfect square, no problem at all. Just put it there where you want to stop your coins, to stop there. Control D to stop here. Okay, so this will be my hole. If you want to put some barriers here also, you can just scale them literally like this and like this. So that's the part where the coin will drop. So you can little bit scale in or out to create that. So according to that, we have to create the coin size, not too big, not too small also. Select all of them, edit delete type by history, put them in a separate layer because it's a proxy layer. So simulation will happen in this proxy, and we can see the effect on this, like faking each and everything. So let me create my coins.
This is the only solution.
Only solution, proxy, creating this proxy. So this is my red coin, and I'll create some more coins. Some more coins. To recognize them, because this is a striker, I will make it little bit big. Let me just remove the shaded. Go to rendering, hyper shade. Give the colors. Give the colors. So these 3 coins, I'll say like white coins. Or some other colors which is seen properly, blue color. For this you can just put a Lambert, which is your white color striker. Okay, done. Edit, delete type by history. Now you select all of them, say dynamics, passive body, then select all of them and say active body, fields, gravity. Automatically what happens, this will go, oh, this is not selected at that time, I think. Passive body. Shit, what is happening? क्या हो रहा है? This is a passive body only. So whenever this problem comes, just save the scene. I'll tell you how to do it. Okay, save, exit. Sometimes happens, this thing happens. Too much of overheat of your computer will do all these things. Just go to your My Documents, Maya Preferences. Delete your preferences, Shift D,
Yes.
and just open your Maya once again.
Is it written?
Still recording.
Yeah,
Open. Oh, good. Oh, ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయకండి, ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయండి, అయిపోయినాయండి, అయిపోయాక క్లాస్ అయిపోయాక యూ కెన్ టేక్ ఇట్ అవుట్. Just open the file once again, which is this. Okay, now if you see, they will stand. I don't know, they have to stand. Arre, not at all. Oh, what happened? Why it is doing like this? क्या क्या की ओपन हो रहा? Let me delete 3 of them. Edit, delete type by rigid bodies, then select modeling dynamics.
delete this for circular again.
That's why I'm saying gravity. Let me see for one of them. Why it's happening like that?
Two boxes are there.
No, only one box. Okay, stop the recording. We'll do afterwards this.